This will be a video of a 1988 Sportster 883. Halfway put on a wide glide front end. Okay, realize there's no gas tank, no tin work. This is just a chopper project. Can't really see it too well. We're gonna hardtail it, and there's the gas tank. Running a nice gas tank. Reason for the video: I've done everything tune-wise that I can to the carburetor, and then put these pipes on here. They're l.a.f. pipes, and just gonna let people hear what they sound like.